It's nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something again Italian from South Italy and delicious, easy, medium I think. We're going to make baking aubergine pasta bake, you know, because I mix always everything. Aubergine pasta bake, easy to do. My camera woman, my partner's wife, she laughing all the time on me. Anyway, we need aubergine, of course, and I'm gonna mix some tomato sauce to mix with the pasta. This aubergine I'm gonna fry. Okay, this is already washed. I'm gonna show you. The oil, I put some vegetable oil already on the gas, and I do this. I cut the aubergine in two, not too thin, you know, something like this. Okay, cut. This, guys, is absolutely delicious. Enrico, my son, love it. He asked me to make this every day. Okay, now, careful guys, the oil is already ready for me inside. Okay, 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise, but it's that 3-4 minutes is ready, because later we gonna cook this again a little bit in the tomato sauce.
Make sure not to burn yourself when you're putting it in.
Well done, Enrico. Now get ready the plate with some paper to absorb the oil. I use this big pot to make easy and faster. Anyway, guys, when it's time to turn it, I'm gonna show you how I like it. Okay? See you later. Okay, guys, 3.5-4 minutes. We need something like this. You see, like that. Okay? We do this. It's perfect. Put here at the moment. Take what is ready. And now, guys, we start make the tomato sauce. It's easy. Take onion, very easy this, just onion and tomato sauce. Chop the onion, not too thick, okay? Half onion is enough, just we give it the flavor. It's gonna cook around 20, half an hour. The oil inside and was already on, onion in, okay? When the onion is nice brown, we're gonna add the sauce, okay? The aubergine, we want this, you see, you know, we want this, not too normal like that, because we don't want burn. This one was small, it's a little bit burned, I don't want that, okay? The sauce is super easy. Another couple minutes and I'm gonna show you when I add the tomato sauce, okay? The passata. Okay guys, now it's time to add the passata or tomato sauce. I'm gonna use 1 liter of passata. And I'm gonna use as well half kilo of pasta. Later I'm gonna show you, okay? In this passata sauce, I'm gonna rinse this with a little bit of water. And we're gonna add just some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder, okay? And gonna cook around half an hour. That's it. Now I'm finished to cook this, and later I'm gonna show you that soon we're gonna add some aubergine inside the passata, okay? Okay guys, when you have this was 1 aubergine, I'm gonna use 1.5 aubergine, but one good more than half the aubergine, like this, we're gonna add in our tomato sauce, okay? Just we go straight away like that inside, okay? And now they're gonna cook. Not too long, it's gonna cook around half an hour, everything, you know. I'm gonna add this there, and later I'm gonna leave another half aubergine, not in the tomato sauce, okay? And we're gonna start prepare as well around 50-60 grams of grated parmesan, if you like, you know, but I recommend you, it's very good. See you later. Okay guys, this is the half aubergine I did later, you know, normal, really. My 70 grams of parmesan is ready, the water boil, and the sauce is already off. I did half an hour, you know, it's like that. You know, aubergine inside they little bit they break. That's what we need. And now we're going to put the pasta in. This is half kilo of fusilli, but you can use penne or any pasta you like. I recommend fusilli, penne or paccheri, rigatoni, stuff like that. Anyway, this pasta, now check how long gonna cook on the box. You cook half. When it's half cooked this pasta, we're gonna put in one, get ready one tray for the oven, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare this. Put in the oven another half an hour, and the job is done, and we're gonna have the best aubergine baking pasta ever. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, the pasta is half cooked, it's very al dente. Now what we're gonna do, take some sauce, just like this, and put inside, maybe 2. Mix, just rough, like that, mix everything, just to give some color. Now, one spoon inside, on the bottom, try to cover all the surface, okie-dokie. And now, pasta. One thing I forgot to say, put the oven on. Yeah, already I put 10-15 minutes to preheat it, okay? Now, when you do one like that, the sauce, like this, you know, try to expand everywhere. Now I want leave to show you, try to expand everywhere. Now it's time we put some of the fried aubergine just like that, you know, without any roux, just put in. Guys, this pasta baking is something absolutely delicious. Now, parmesan, be generous. Be generous with this because the parmesan is something unique. Okay? Now again, pasta. Press. We're gonna put everything inside. Try to everywhere. Later, this one, guys, 180 degrees, 25 minutes is enough. Later, if you want to do 20 minutes and 5 minutes the grill, you make more crispy. The top one is absolutely stunning. Okay, then you know it's 1 liter going inside everything. Press. Try to put the sauce everywhere, and on the top we're gonna finish with our aubergine. Like this. Now guys, this goes straight away in the oven for 25 minutes at the 80 degrees. But I'm gonna do, because I like crispy, I do 20 minutes at the 8 and 5 minutes 250 just the grill, because Enrico, my son, like very crispy and a little bit burn the pasta on the top. Okay, see you in half an hour. Okay guys, the aubergine pasta is ready. It's out from the oven already over half an hour, because that's why it's set like that. The time to try Another masterpiece, already the smell, guys. It's a little bit warm. Wow. Guys, it's absolutely al bacio. Wow. You have to try this. It's another masterpiece. Well done, Piero. Guys, the Aubergine Pasta Bake is this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.